Welcome to Event Styles LLC, where we bring the style to your events. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful balloon bouquet for my niece's graduation. That is so easy, you'll be able to make it yourself too. So here are the materials that I used to create the bouquet. Feel free to take a screenshot of the list and also check out the description box. I'll have everything linked there as well as the names of the items. First, I'm going to blow up my number balloons. Using the straw that came with the package, I'm going to insert it into the place where the valve is supposed to be. This helps blow up the balloons easier. And then I'm going to use my electric balloon pump just to blow it up, and it literally takes a matter of seconds. I repeated the same process for the rest of the balloons. And this is how they came out. So now I'm going to build my balloon base. To do that, I'm going to take my electric balloon pump and 2 balloons of the same color. I'm going to blow them up, get them to a shape that I think it looks nice, and then I'm going to tie them together to form a pod. So a pod is basically 2 balloons that are tied together. I'm going to repeat the process until I have enough balloons to form a quad. Now a quad is 2 pods tied together or 4 balloons tied together. So there are my 2 pods. I'm going to hook them to each other, place one on top of the other, and then wrap it around each other. And that is my quad. And then I just repeat the process until I have enough quads to build my base. So the look that I'm going for is a checkered look, which is basically layers of different colors. To achieve this, you just have to form a smaller quad of a different color to act as a cushion in between your main color. So now I'm going to secure my quads together using this gray balloon, which is called a 360 balloon. I'm just going to tie them together and then layer them on top of each other. In this moment, I realized how ugly the gold balloons actually look. So I pulled out my silver metallic balloons that I had on hand. I made my smaller quads, and then I just tied them together using the 360 balloon. If you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the little bell next to the subscription button. That will give you notification onto when we post next. And here is the finished base. So then I just pulled out the numbers just to make sure that I had enough space, and I did. So now I'm going to take the flabby part at the bottom of the number. I'm going to take my 360 balloon. I'm going to tie them together. I'm going to use this 360 balloon to secure the number to the base. I only secured the 2's down because I'm going for a layered look. I want my O's to be higher than my 2's. So I grab my O. Using my balloon glue, I'm going to glue down this flabby part at the bottom. From there, I'm going to glue any point that the 0 and the 2's touch. So this is how it looks so far. Now I'm going to secure my first 2 and my first O together by blowing up my 360 balloon. I'm going to tie the end, and then I'm going to hold them together by wrapping my 360 balloon around them. So on one side it's secured with the 360 balloon, and on the other side it only has the glue. Before I put up my other O, I decided that I wanted to have multiple points of security for it. So I'm going to blow up this star balloon, and I'm going to have it on the far right. Just like before, I'm going to tie it with my 360 balloon, and then I'm going to secure it to the base. Just like before, I'm going to secure it with the 360 balloon on one side and then glue it on the other. Here it is. So now I'm going to make the bouquet more sturdy. I'm going to do that by tying a 360 balloon to a balloon weight that I got from Amazon. I'm going to tie it on the ends of the base, and this is going to make sure that it's durable and able to withstand the winds being blown on it. Because they're so small, they're easy to hide, so you get the durability without changing the look. Moving on to the last step, I'm going to take my star balloons as well as these cute decorations that I got from Amazon. I'm going to use my hand pump that I got from Walmart to blow up enough balloons that I think will look good on the bouquet. I think I made like 4 or 5, but you could blow up however many you feel fit for yours. Then I'm going to take my glue gun and just glue everything into place. I decided to use this I did it sign to secure the O and the 2 together even more. I literally just glued it in between the 2 numbers. I decided that I wanted to add some curling balloons. To do this, you want to blow up your 360 balloon and let the air completely out to stretch the material. Then you're going to grab a broomstick. I want you to see the difference between the unblown balloon on the left and then your stretched out balloon on the right. You could use anything to hold the stretched balloon in place. I'm just going to use another 360 balloon. Then I'm going to wrap the stretched balloon around the broomstick. This is basically my curling wand for this process. Using the same balloon pump as before, I'm going to blow up the 360 balloon with some air. And just like that, you have a curled balloon. So now I'm just going to twist my balloons. This is just going to reinforce the curl and promote the areas that didn't curl that well to start doing so. After I do that, I'm going to tie both ends. One to secure the air and the other to get rid of the pointy part. So I tie that. And I'm actually going to remove this excess balloon skin just using the back of my tape because I can't find my scissors. I'm just going to rub it until it comes off. So this is how the finished curl looked. I ended up using my hot glue gun to glue it on the empty spaces underneath the zeros. And just like that, the bouquet is done. If you would like to stay connected with us, feel free to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Event Styles LLC, where we bring the style to your events.